Hey guys, we are still kind of rocking and rolling here at Seton HVAC. Got my blue on hat on. I got my, I know it's backwards. I got my The Shining Overlook Hotel t-shirt on. About 70 degrees today. It'll be pushing 80 tomorrow when I go to Portland, Oregon. Well, outside of Portland. My dad lives on the other side of the mountains here in Oregon. I'll be heading over to his place. He lives out in the country, and it's supposed to be pretty warm. We're probably gonna leave tomorrow about 9 a.m. and to go hang out with dear old dad for a day, and stay the night at his house, and then come back on Tuesday. So I won't have any HVAC stuff for you guys Monday and Tuesday, but I'll be back at it on Wednesday. If I don't drink myself to death with dear old dad, he likes to drink all day and gamble. So here in Oregon, like most states now, we have video poker machines in every bar. So try to behave a little bit. If I get you guys some footage of anything, it's going to be a little bit of debauchery. But that's how it is when hanging out with dear old dad. You know, he's not getting any younger. He turned 72 this year. So you know, you need to take these time to spend time with your loved ones, especially your parents, while you can. And for anybody that doesn't have their parents, I'm sorry that you don't. I'm just glad that I still have both of mine. And you know, I haven't had any grandparents for years. So yeah, real uplifting post here, huh? So I hope you guys have been enjoying, you know, I've been ranting and raving a bit towards the distributors, you know, Gensco, Johnstone. I deleted that first one I did, by the way, because I don't want any defamation things going on there. But it's all true, and it's from the heart, man. I mean, I'm not saying anything that isn't true, and you know, everything I do here on YouTube, I have lots of colleagues in the industry, local and in other states, and they all agree with me with the things I'm saying. And you know, I'm not saying anything that they deem to be false or misleading. You know, I get a few people here and there on YouTube that make stupid comments, how you know, I'm just ranting and raving with no basis for it, and I'm just complaining. Well, you know, you can't make a difference unless somebody speaks up, right? That's true with anything in life, whether it be HVAC, whether it be with you know, guys like to do the law enforcement videos where they're showing corruption in that, and that's government affiliated, so there's going to be corruption involved. I think we can all agree that there's a lot of corruption in government. That's not really my expertise, so I won't delve into it, but I do watch a lot on that. But as far as it comes to the trades, you know, if it walks like a duck and quacks like a duck, there's a pretty good chance it's a duck. And if something smells fishy, I guarantee you there's some basis to that. And I'm the type of person that's going to speak up, and I'm going to speak my mind. You just ask my wife. You know, sometimes she sees my ranting and raving thing as negativity, and it's not. It's really just it's coming from a positive space. I want to try to make things better. You know, I really do. And, you know, unless certain people speak up, nothing ever gets better. That's why things have got as corrupt as they have, because too many people are, you know, I call them bootlickers, where they just deal with things the way they are. You know, illogical regulations, poor laws. I mean, pretty much everything, not everything, but a lot of things in life are just flat out not fair, and they shouldn't be that way. And you know, it takes a certain group of people to rise up and fight these things that are not fair. So and there's a lot of things that aren't fair that are going on here in HVAC, man, in the trades period. You know, they want to run the small guys out of business. They don't, you know, and it boils down to the distributors too, because what they want to do is they make my life very difficult, and my life shouldn't be difficult. You know, I'm buying your equipment, I'm supplying it to my clients. That's all I really want to do. All this other political crap that you guys do, all this bureaucratic shit that you do, is completely insane, and I don't want any part of it. I just want to give my customers the best product I can give them for the best price, and then go about my merry way and spend time with my family. That's all I really want to do. So, you know, I like to joke. You know, if you read the description of my channel, if you go on my page, I'm very, very passionate about HVAC, but I'm passionate in life too, and I like to have fun with it. And I just find that, like, the past year, I'm not having as much fun with it as I used to have. You know, like, it's kind of a drag. And things are kind of shifting, though, because I have some really good jobs coming up and some really good customers, really level-headed, down-to-earth people that I'm going to do work for, and I think that's going to translate on the channel moving forward, as far as the, you know, the work I'm doing and the things that I'm achieving with my business and whatnot. So, you know, back to my other video from a while back, a week ago or whatever it was, the sky is not falling. You know, we're going to persevere, because the hard work does pay off, and the strong survive. You know, the cream rises to the top. So everybody stay positive. There's no reason to be negative about anything, really. And you know, as far as my family and friends and everybody else that, you know, just think this world is going to shit, you know, I can't think that it is. You know, I have you know, children that need to have a better world for us to leave behind for them. I'm not going to lose you with this stuff. I'm not going to get philosophical, but what I'm saying is, you know, we need to get really stress, you know, with the trades and everything else, that, you know, things are good. We're gonna do a good job for you. We're going to keep progressing, and I'm not a progressive, you guys know that, but you know what I mean, progressing the trades, and you know, keep trying to give our customers the best bang for their buck. So sorry about that, guys, my phone clicked off here. So anyway, you know, it's all about customer service and giving our HVAC clients the best of us, and that's what I'm going to strive to do for the rest of my career. I'm only really going to do this probably about another 8 to 10 years, and then I'm going to retire. You know, I'm 47 now. I'm hoping to retire at the age of 55 or 57, and you know, it's based on the economy, of course, but I think things are looking up. And I just want everybody to know that the sky isn't falling. You know, the strong do survive, and as long as you work hard and take care of your family and do the right thing, life will be good for you. We're not victims of anything. We can stand up and be strong and live our life to the best of our abilities. So I'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.